In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a few tips that I have used from my own experience of having a beard. So this is real content, guys. This is real stuff. I'm gonna give you my advice from my experience to help you prevent you from getting an itchy beard or recovering from an itchy beard if you do have one. Itchy beards aren't fun, but I'm gonna show you guys how to prevent an itchy beard and how to maintain a healthy beard right after that. If you guys are the first time here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure to comment in the section down below, and also hit the notification bell to get the latest content updates on this channel. I remember the days when I had an itchy beard and it was not fun. It was irritating, it was stressful, it was too much. But I can help you guys out for that. So from my experience of having a beard, I got myself from having an itchy beard to maintaining a healthy, luxurious beard, and so forth. So when it comes down to your beard care, there is a few techniques that I do apply, and I do want you guys to take notes when regarding this, and actually help you out with preventing you from having an itchy beard. And if you do have an itchy beard, I can get you out of it. So there's a few factors that I would consider when it comes down to having an itchy beard. Is also one of the biggest things is weather conditions. What season of weather are you living in? What part of the world are you living in? And it's knowing how to maintain a beard in those types of different seasons. If you're in a colder season, then one thing I do suggest is actually having beard oil, oily base beard oil, than having something that's kind of water based, because you're in a cold environment. It does get dry a lot more than usual. So having something just like that is actually going to help you just have the maintenance of nutrients for your beard. So weather conditions is something that I would apply into this whole concept of maintaining from an itchy beard. The next thing I will suggest you guys is having natural products. And having natural base products is actually a good foundation for your beard. For me, my skin is hypersensitive when it comes down to products and it comes down to unnatural ingredients. So when it comes down to stuff like that, I always tend to take extra special care with more natural ingredients when it comes down to my beard, because I want it to be healthy and clean and smelling good and just feeling good. So when it comes down to that, go for natural based products. Don't go for stuff that is going to be heavy on chemicals, because you will see a reaction within your skin if you are hypersensitive skin based like myself. Another tip for you guys is when you guys do shower, make sure you don't shower in extremely hot water, like scorching hot. Don't ever shower in scorching hot water. There's a few reasons why, because one of them is your skin is actually going to start breaking down a lot more than usual if you opposed to using lukewarm water, where it's more maintainable. But also your hair follicles are going to be burnt to a crisp. Your pores are actually going to be closed up a lot more. There's no room for it to breathe. You need to have lukewarm water base, and that's what I technically do in my showers. I typically used to go extremely hot showers. I thought hot showers was the best thing for me, and then slowly but surely I understood it wasn't. And now I understand that completely, because I experienced having lukewarm showers and I have the success of my beard. So when it comes down to the process of it all, one of the biggest things that I'll tell you guys is exfoliation of the beard. You want to exfoliate your beard every once in a while. That is something that I actually apply into my own practice just to prevent it from having an itchy beard. It actually needs to be maintained through the whole process. So when I'm in the shower and I use my natural soaps, so I'll give you a quick example. So when I'm in the shower, this is my brush right here. So when I'm in the shower, I'm soaping up my beard. I'm basically training my beard hairs to go in a certain course of growth. So for example, my beard naturally just comes down. Before, in the early stages, my beard was kind of like up here and down there. It's kind of all over the place. But for the overall basis of it, I'm training my beard to go down. So I have this right here, my beard brush. I'm training it to go down in the shower, just brushing it down just like that. So what that does, you're also exfoliating the follicles, but also you're training your beard to grow in the right direction, but you're also breaking up the bacteria in your old beard so you can release the follicles to produce new ones. So the next tip is for you guys is actually maintaining your beard with beard oil and moisturizers. That is a key technique I do use in my practice. Making sure you can still moisturize your beard is very, very important, as well as using the beard oils. So applying moisturizer, for example, this is what I would do. But I have a product from As I Am, so this product is actually very good when it comes to moisturizing your beard. And it is a rich daily moisturizer, so it has cocoa butter, shea butter, castor oil, sugar beetroot. So these are all organic ingredients. You can pick this up as well. Links down below for that. Recap from all this, and I hope these tips can help you out. So just to recap from it all, so one of the biggest tips I'll mention before is a daily wash of the beard. You want to make sure your beard is daily washed. And number 2 is exfoliating the beard, which is highly important when you're in the shower. And number 3 is beard oil and moisturizing for the long-term purpose of the day, and so it can actually produce better success with your beard. So I hope these tips actually help you guys out. Let me know what you guys thought. In the comment section down below. So what is that one technique you guys have used in the past to maintain from having an itchy beard? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed to Arccway, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. My name is Mr. Lou. Thank you guys for watching Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. If you feel itchy, you are itchy. Simply said.